Good evening. I'm Kirish K. Cathay Pacific will open their new deck lounge on the 22nd of March this year. This lounge replaces the previous G16 lounge run by Cathay Dragon and is located right above Gate 16 in the Hong Kong airport. And good, there'll be a noodle bar this time, so I can order my favorite Dan Dan Mien. And they also have Taiwanese Beef Noodles. I guess Cathay is trying to pander to all those transit passengers from Taipei and Kaohsiung. There'll be freshly made dim sum in the lounge, along with 8 shower rooms. And, just to be Captain Obvious, there'll be free Wi-Fi in the lounge. In addition to passengers of Cathay Pacific and Cathay Dragon, I believe passengers of Qantas, British Airways, and Japan Airlines will also benefit from this lounge, because these airlines just love to use the gate in that part of the airport. Of course, you will either have to travel in business class, or be a Oneworld Sapphire member if you want to use the lounge. And so, what are your thoughts? Please leave a comment below. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.